But let's go now into the big alpha, because you can be very happy that you see this video, because I have seen something in the market that I'm sharing with you right now. And yeah, let's go back in time. Why was I able to call in the group the bottom for crypto already in September? It was of this reason. So BlackRock ETF for Bitcoin, we saw a very, very clear inverse head and shoulders in the broadening pattern. And therefore, I already knew, okay, bullish momentum is kicking back in. Then, price went up. Insiders from Wall Street, someone always knows in Wall Street, were buying. 28 October, the price broke out of this pattern, which means bull case. Then the price went up heavily already. And then we went to Trump winning, and that was starting here. And then the price started to move. But my alpha was already here. Here I already knew it was happening. Here we got the 100% confirmation, and here the price went loose. Then we went back to the 50 MA, and now what do we see? In the bullish momentum, a very, very clear bull flag on the number one Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock. BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world. Someone always knows. And I'm going to say you right now, this bull flag is going to break out, and this is going to lead us into new all-time highs for Bitcoin. Let's dive first into the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, number one leading index, to my opinion, just broke out its previous all-time high and is now into price discovery since this week, where a few weeks ago we had panic with Iran. We now finally see what we had to see, a breakout of the last all-time high around December, January. S&P, same, almost not there, but very, very close. And everything that's happened currently, I expect it to break out, and that we're going to the final blow of top phase, where we can make a lot of money together. Because you can follow me. You can follow me on my free Telegram, where I'm publicly trading a 100K account. And when you follow me, you also have to make an account on Blowfin for free. But what's happening, the people who are following me are also directly put into my team on the Blowfin Wheel of Wars competition. And the Wheel of Wars competition is actually very interesting, because they have a prize pool of 4.2 million. And then you think, Blowfin, what is Blowfin? Now, Blowfin is actually the exchange that it has the best slippage and the best liquidity currently. It's crazy how good this exchange is performing, and you see that all the whales, people who trade with high volumes, are going through this exchange right now. And as you can see, future slippage, Blowfin is now above OKX and Bybit, just after Binance on the BTC futures. Also, ETH futures, second one, crazy. This exchange is growing so big, to my opinion, currently the best exchange to trade on, because what you see on this exchange, they don't do market making on their own users. So your stop loss is not getting hit by the intern of the exchange. That's why I'm trading here, and that's why all my good traders around me are on this exchange as well. Just use the link in the show notes and you can get member of my Telegram, where you can follow all my trades and markets insights and everything for free. So what is MicroStrategy showing? Also a lot of strength. And therefore, I just say MicroStrategy will break out somehow, somewhere this week or next week. Then what do we have here? Coinbase, the biggest exchange of the world? No, but it's the biggest exchange of the US. And Coinbase is growing on a very, very rapid pace, also with the blockchain base that they launched, and the users are getting more and more. And what we see here is such a beautiful technical analysis, called the bottom exactly here. See my last video. Now we're going up a lot of volume, and we're going to break out, and we're going to see prices of $1,000 for the stock Coinbase. Amazing, and congratulations if you bought here. It was a fucking no-brainer. Then we have the same ETF from BlackRock, but not for Ethereum, but for Bitcoin. And we see also a lot of strength for this one, with a lot of volume this week. Hereby, I tell you, this is going to break out, and this is going to lead the way for Ethereum, which means Ethereum is going through the roof. To Circle, and Circle is Circle Internet Group. It's the mother company of the #1 stable coin in the world, USDC. They went to the market for $30 per share, and this exact same day it went already to $90 to $100 per share, and it even went to $300 this week. Wow. This proves you there is a lot of bullish momentum in the market. Then we have SRM. Just check my last video about some of this. This will be something interesting. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. Bitcoin dominance. What do we see here? To my opinion, yet not so much. But what do we see here? Here we see something very, very interesting. And this is the reason why I'm recording this video today, because what we see here is a pattern in a bullish momentum. Bullish momentum kick, bought back in, called it 2 months ago. Then I posted a new video. I'm shorting, and I cashed out 20%. And now it's time to scale back in. I'm not doing that because I have still 80% netto long on this market. So I also cashing out, of course, cashed already out here as well. You have to secure the profits as well. But I'm not going to talk about the psychology. I'm not going to talk about the psychology now of trading. We can do that on another video, but I'm here to just tell you that Bitcoin is showing here a massive bull flag. Some call it even a cup and handle. We're going up again to August, little bounce, and then to 180. And at 180, I'm completely out. Ethereum. What's happening here with Ethereum? I tell you a lot. Do we see Ethereum all here? No, it will never happen. But what I do think is that Ethereum will go to 8 or to 12K this cycle. And there is a lot of resistance. First was support, then resistance. 6 weeks long. Let's zoom in. 6 weeks long. Ethereum couldn't break it. And therefore, of course, we had this. Yeah, it was quite some drop actually. In 1 week, it went down 20%. Almost #1 coin in the world, Ethereum. Wow, 20% 1 week. This week or next week, we're going to break out, and then it's going to raise very, very fast. 4K, little dip August, and then massive run. This is what's going to happen for Ethereum. Then we go into total market, and you already see it here. Beautiful, beautiful chart. First we go to the all-time high, has some panic, reload the backs, and let's pump it. And to be honest, I expect the total market cap to go to a $10 trillion market cap this cycle. So a Bitcoin dominance of 30% on a $10 trillion market cap is 140K. 40% is 190K. And 50% is 240. And I'm checking out somewhere around 180 because then I made already too much money. Crazy. What's happening? What's happening? Amazing, amazing times to be alive. Then we have Total Tree, not watching it, but we have here others. And you can feel it in your altcoin portfolio that your portfolio is burning. But hereby, my brother, I give you the bottom. We're gonna raise. We're gonna rise again, and we're gonna rise hard. And expect some huge gains in your alt backs. Not all alts will rise, but some of them, which I also call in the Telegram. So please use the link, and you get access to my Telegram. There is some big move coming, some very, very big move coming. Just zoom out, watch the price unfold. If we're closing today, so actually it's closing on Sunday, but since only institutionals are trading, retail's completely gone. I say that Friday, the end of Friday, the week is already finished. And when we have this engulfing candle for the weekly, means, to my opinion, that we found the current bottom, and that it's from now on lift-off time. If you have any altcoin that you want to have analyzed by me, let me know in the comments, and let's see what I can do for you. See you in the next video.